Hello students, this is video for chapter 8 shapes. See here, page number 121. Let's recall. See, these parts are from previous classes. Let us look back on the important geometrical terms. All the concepts related with shapes, different diagrams, it is considered as geometry. Yes, so these are the geometrical terms. See, first point. First point is actually point. Okay, see, we know we can draw one dot on any page of your notebook or any separate page. Okay, so when we show it, how to show it? Here we can say it is a point or dot. And see, what is the definition for this? It is an exact location on a, yes, it is actually, here it should be at, it is at exact location on a plane surface. What is the meaning of plane surface? You can consider your notebook page, this textbook page, this is plane part, or even you can consider whiteboard from your classroom. It is said, or it is called as plane surface. So when we put any dot on plane surface, we call it as point. And see what is given again. It is denoted by a dot and is named using a capital letter. And how to show this point? We can use any alphabet to show it, A, B, C, D up to Z. Here it is shown by capital C. But it is necessary to use capital letter. Second point, line. See, this figure is of line. What description is given? See, it is a straight path on a plane which extends endlessly in both directions and has no end points. What is the meaning of this? See here. This is point A, this is point B. These 2 points are connected with each other by using this line. So I can say this is line AB, or you can say line BA also. See, here arrow is there, here also arrow is there. So what is the meaning of this? Here number of points are there on this line. Okay, lots of points are there. You can say infinite points also. Why? Because what is the meaning of this arrow? You can extend this end of this line toward this distance or toward this direction up to endless distance. No limit is here. Okay, and this end is also, this arrow you can move toward left hand side up to infinite distance. You can extend it endlessly. So when we consider any line, what we say, it doesn't have end points. End points are not there, क्योंकि हम इसे भी राइट साइड में बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस तक इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं और लेफ्ट साइड में भी इसे इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी से लाइन डजंट हैव एंड पॉइंट. Okay, and it is also drawn on plane surface. You can draw it on page. See, third point, line segment. Here only line is there, here line segment is there. So what is the line segment actually? If we cut any small part from line तो हमें पता है, हमें यस हम एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं उसे लेफ्ट और राइट साइड में एंडलेसली, इनफाइनाइट डिस्टेंस तक हमें उसे एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. तो उसका लेंथ क्या होता है? इनफाइनाइट लेंथ होता है लाइन का. बट व्हेन वी टेक स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ लाइन वी गेट लाइन सेगमेंट. एंड सी हियर नाउ एरोज आर नॉट देयर, हियर एंड पॉइंट्स आर देयर, एक्स एंड वाई. सो हियर length of this line segment is fixed. What is the meaning of length is fixed? Here you can measure this length by using your scale. Put 0 point here and here some centimeter will come. So you will say length of this line segment is that much of centimeter. So we can measure length of line segment, but we can't measure length of line because here it is small. But what is the meaning of these arrows? We can extend them toward right and this toward left endlessly. So what is given? See here, it is for line segment. It is a part of a line that has a fixed length and has two fixed end points. Here end points are also there, fixed length is also there, and this is part of line. Next point, ray. See, if you can observe this, see here end point is there, but here arrow is there. So definitely what we can say, we can extend this end of this ray up endlessly up to the infinite distance, but here we cannot extend this end. So here this point is fixed, but here we can increase this length toward right hand side endlessly. So when one point is, yes, here fixed point is there, fixed end point is there, and second point we can extend it toward infinite distance or endlessly, then we say it is ray. See, what is the description? It is a part of a line that extends endlessly in one direction. So this is also part of line, see, but only one end we can extend, second end we cannot extend. Yes, so this is also part of line. See, like this you can consider. Yes, this is A is fixed point, but here you can extend it toward right hand side endlessly. Like this ray is there. Now come to the next page, page number 122. See, what is the point here? Two-dimensional figure and three-dimensional figure. We can use short form also. Dimensional, we can show it by using capital D. So here we can say 2D figures and here 3D figures. See, what is the meaning of that? Two-dimensional figure have only length and breadth, but no thickness. Thickness, yes. See, what is the meaning here? Length and breadth. If you consider this rectangle, this is length, this is breadth, but कितना thick है वो, हम वो नहीं बोल सकते यहाँ पे. Yes. So here rectangle have only two dimensions. Two dimension means one dimension is length, second dimension is breadth. So here we can say rectangle is two-dimensional figure or 2D figure. Now see, similar, this rectangle here, this is cuboid. If you see only this surface of cuboid, it is similar to rectangle. So this is length, yes, but can you see here, you can see thickness also. See, this distance, thickness is also there. Yes, so here actually length is there, breadth is there, and thickness is also there. So one more word is for that. We can say this thickness means height. So how to consider this? For this cuboid, this is length, now this is height, and this one is thickness of that cuboid. See, what is given here? Three-dimensional figures have length, breadth as well as thickness, or it is also called as height. So when three dimensions are there, we call it as 3D figure. When only two dimensions are there, we call it as two-dimensional figure. See this rectangle, square, this circle, this oval, but these concepts are different. Here cylinder, you can consider example of pipe. Okay, so it is like cylinder. If you consider ice cream cone, see it is like this, so we call it as cone. Consider example of cricket ball, it is called as sphere. And when rectangular shape box is there, we call it as cuboid, and if that box is square shape, means all sides will be same, then we call it as cube. Now come to the do and learn from page number 122. See first question. Identify the following figures, color them and fill in the blank. So you can color these figures. See, first of all, this is, we know this figure, yes, name rectangle. Number of sides, how many sides are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so I am writing here 4. And what is the meaning of vertices? See, here this point where two lines are meeting each other, or sorry, I can say two sides are meeting each other. This is vertex. Okay, and this is plural form of vertex, vertices. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many vertices are there? 4 vertices are there. But if, okay, now see, consider second figure. This is circle. Yes, I am writing here circle. But for circle, here see, when we consider straight sides or straight lines, then we say they are sides. Here, straight lines are not there. So we say number of sides for for this circle are 0. Yes, because we consider only straight straight sides or straight lines. Here straight lines are not there. So number of sides for circle are 0. And here straight lines or straight sides are not meeting each other also. So we are not getting vertices also. So vertices are 0 for circle. Now consider cuboid. So actually this is 3-dimensional figure. So if you imagine this, see, this side is there, but one side is behind this also, which is not visible. See, yes, if you consider this line, तो इसके नीचे एक साइड होगा बैक साइड में. यस, एंड हियर ऑल्सो सी, ये साइड है, इसके अपोजिट इधर एक साइड होगा जो हमें दिख नहीं रहा. मतलब यस, हमें दो सरफेस इसके दिख नहीं रहे. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सरफेस? सी, ये पूरा पार्ट जो है, यस, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सरफेस. So how many surface? Okay, so first of all, name of this diagram is cuboid. How many surface are there? See, 1, this is 2, this is 3. इसके नीचे अपोजिट इधर भी एक होगा नीचे. यस, सो 1, हर एक के अपोजिट एक, इसके अपोजिट एक है जो हमें दिखता नहीं है, इसके अपोजिट पीछे है वो नहीं दिख रहा, और इसके अपोजिट एक नीचे होगा वो भी हमें दिख नहीं रहा. सो हाउ मेनी सर्फेसेस आर देयर? एक्चुअली 1, इसके अपोजिट वाला 2. This is, so actually this, see how many surface we can see, 1, 2, 3, और हर एक के अपोजिट एक और है. So 3 plus 3, 6. Number of surfaces are 6. And now vertices, we need to count these corners where lines are meeting. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, और इसके पीछे एक होगा यहाँ पे 8. Yes. So number of vertices are 8. See here, this is pipe-like structure if you extend it. So it is called as cylinder. See, it is given here. And number of surface, see, ये ऊपर का एक surface होगा, ये पूरा 1. Then ये एक surface है 2, और नीचे भी एक surface होगा 3. Number of surfaces 3. Okay, and here again see straight lines, दो straight line एक दूसरे को यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट या मीट नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो वी आर नॉट गेटिंग वर्टाइसेस. सो वर्टाइसेस आर 0. नाउ जस्ट वी हैव टू गिव द नेम्स टू दिस फिगर. सी दिस, you can see toothpaste box. Okay, it is cuboid. Then this is cone, and this is like cylinder. Now come to the next page, page number 123. See what is the topic? Types of straight lines. Okay, so see here, this is actually horizontal line. Yes, here it is given horizontal. When we draw it like this, it is vertical line. Then how, when we draw it like this or like this, they are slanting, or you can use one more word, oblique lines or slanting lines. And when two lines are meeting each other at one point, they are intersecting lines. They are intersecting each other at this point. मतलब वो एक दूसरे को क्रॉस कर रहे हैं एक पॉइंट में. We say they are intersecting lines. So see here what is given. Intersecting lines are the lines that cross each other at a point. And what is the meaning of parallel lines? See here, this line is given. Here two lines are given, but if you extend this here and here, if you extend this toward right hand side and toward left hand side, if you extend it endlessly, still what will happen? They will not cross each other. हमने इनका लेंथ कितना भी बढ़ाया दोनों साइड्स में, फिर भी वो एक दूसरे को कभी भी क्रॉस नहीं करेंगे. So we will say them as parallel lines. See what is given here. Parallel lines are the lines that never cross. See, this is important. Never cross each other, even if they are extended endlessly. Yes, same thing I am telling to you. हमने इनका yes, लेंथ कितना भी बढ़ाया लेफ्ट और राइट साइड में दोनों का, फिर भी वो एक दूसरे को कभी भी क्रॉस नहीं करेंगे. So we call them as parallel lines. Now see next topic. It is easy topic. Open figures and closed figures. See first of all what is given for closed figures. If a figure starts and ends at the same position, it is called a closed figure. Examples: triangle, square, rectangle, circle, hexagon. You will get concept of hexagon on next page. Okay, so see what is the meaning of closed figure. See, if I start from this point and I am drawing it like this, so I will come back to the same point again. Okay, so I will call it as closed figure. Here also see, let us consider I am starting here, so I am going like this, and I am coming back to same point. In every figure, where we start, we come back to same point. For those figures, we call them closed figures. And if now let us consider I am starting here to draw this figure. Now I am drawing it like this, and I am coming to this point. See, now this starting point and this end point, they are different. They are not same. So here you can see openness is there. So we can say these are open figures. Here also see, you can start from this point, you are drawing it like this, and you are coming to this point. Again, this and this point, they are different. So this is also open figure. This is also open figure. This is also open figure. So we can easily find out which are closed figures and which are open figures. Come to the do and learn from page number 125. See here, first question is related with closed and open figures. Write C for closed figures and O for open figures. Okay, so we can do this activity. See here. Okay, can you see here? This is closed figure. So I am writing C. This is also closed figure. It means if I start to draw this figure from this point, okay, so what will happen? I will come back to same point again. So this is also closed figure. See here, if I am starting here to draw, I will stop here. So actually this and this, yes, starting and end point are different. So this is open figure. Here also this is closed figure. And if you see, this is open figure. So I am writing here O. And for closed figure I am writing C. Now come back to the previous page, page number 124. See what is the concept? Polygons. Okay, see what is the meaning of this. Okay, now polygons. See and learn. If we look at closed figures carefully, we will notice that they can be made of straight lines, curved lines, or both straight as well as curved lines. See what is the concept? We know now what is the meaning of closed figures. See here, this is closed figure. But if you see, all the lines here are straight lines. Yes, all lines are straight lines. So see what is given here. This star shape is made up of straight lines only. Now if you see second figure, see here, this is also actually closed figure. Yes, but if you see these lines, these are curved lines. All lines are curved. So this cloud shape is made of curved lines only. Now this, if you see third figure, see, this and this, they are straight lines, but this is and this is curved line. So this figure is made up from straight as well as curved lines. Now we are going to use this concept to get what is the meaning of polygon. polygons are closed figures. So first of all, it will be closed figure. And what is the next concept? Made up of only straight lines. So क्या होना चाहिए? क्लोज फिगर भी होना चाहिए और सब लाइंस जो है उसमें स्ट्रेट होने चाहिए. So see this concept here. This is closed figure as well as all these lines are also straight. Yes. So like this we need diagrams. So we will call them as polygon. See here curved lines are there. So I will not say this is polygon. Here also straight lines are there but curved lines are also there. So this is also, I will not say this is polygon. Okay, this is not polygon, this is not polygon. But here this is closed figure as well as all lines are straight. So I can say this is polygon. Okay, now see again what is given related with polygon. They are plane figures. Plane figures means we can draw them on plane surface or your notebook page or on whiteboard. They are plane figures having 3 or more sides. So कितने साइड होने चाहिए उसके? 3 या 3 से ज्यादा. The side may or may not be equal. और जो साइड्स है उसके वो इक्वल भी हो सकते हैं या मे बी दे विल नॉट बी इक्वल. एंड सी व्हाट इज गिवन हियर. द ट्रायंगल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पॉलीगॉन. सो पॉलीगॉन्स ट्रायंगल से स्टार्ट होते हैं क्योंकि उसे 3 साइड या 3 से ज्यादा साइड चाहिए. यस, सो वी नो ट्रायंगल हैव 3 साइड्स. सो सबसे पहला पॉलीगॉन कौन सा होता है? ट्रायंगल. सी द ट्रायंगल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पॉलीगॉन हैविंग द लिस्ट नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. ओके, 3 या 3 से ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, उनको हम देखने वाले हैं. पॉलीगॉन्स आर नेम्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. और पॉलीगॉन के अलग अलग नेम भी होते हैं. ट्रायंगल को भी हम पॉलीगॉन बोलते हैं, लेकिन ट्रायंगल क्यों बोलते हैं उसे? बिकॉज इट हैज 3 साइड्स. सो दिस ट्राई वर्ड इज कमिंग फ्रॉम 3. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रायंगल. बट ट्रायंगल इज ऑल्सो पॉलीगॉन. नाउ सी व्हाट इज गिवन हियर. Polygon that have all their sides equal. What is the first point? सभी साइड स्ट्रेट होने चाहिए और फिगर क्लोज होना चाहिए. नाउ इफ ऑल साइड्स आर ऑफ सेम लेंथ, उनका मेजर किया हमने लेंथ स्केल का यूज करके, अगर सबका लेंथ सेम है सो वी विल कॉल इट एज रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इरेगुलर पॉलीगॉन? वो भी क्लोज फिगर होगा, सब साइड उसके स्ट्रेट लाइंस हो गए, लेकिन वो साइड्स जो है 3 या 3 से ज्यादा साइड तो हो गए, लेकिन उनका लेंथ अलग अलग हो सकता है. सो देन वी विल से इट इज अ इरेगुलर पॉलीगॉन. यू विल गेट दीज 2 concepts हियर. सी पॉलीगॉन, फर्स्ट वन ट्रायंगल. हाउ मेनी साइड्स? 3 sides. Okay, and all sides are similar, so that's why we call it as regular polygon, or one more name is there, triangle. Again see, one more triangle is there here also. 3 sides are there, but if you see lengths of sides are different, so it is irregular. Now see, this is actually square, all sides are same, but when 4 sides are there we call it as quadrilateral. And if all sides are same, that's why it is regular. Here also see how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you see their lengths are different. See, this is smaller length, this is bigger length. Okay, so this is irregular. But here also 4 sides are there, here also 4 sides are there. So for both figures we will call it as quadrilateral. Quad means 4. Like this, if 5 sides are there, we call it as pentagon. Okay, this first word penta means 5. So pentagon means 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all sides are same, so it is regular pentagon. And if here also 5 sides are there, but their lengths are different, so this is also pentagon but irregular pentagon. This is regular pentagon. Now when 6 sides are there, we call it as hexagon. When 7 sides are there, we call it as heptagon. When 8 sides are there, we call it as octagon. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides are there. and all sides are same, so this is regular octagon. Here also how many sides are there? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 sides are there, so it is also octagon. But if you see their lengths are different, so it is irregular octagon. Now by using this polygon concept, we can easily solve do and learn from page number 125. We already solved first question. See second question. Color the figures made up with straight lines red. You will use color for these figures, and where you will use red color? The diagram which is having all straight lines. So see here, these are curved lines, these are straight. Okay, so see here I am writing R. You have to color this diagram by using red color. All sides are straight lines. Here no straight lines. Here see, can you see all sides are straight lines? Yes. So here also I will use red color. Here also all sides are straight lines. So here also I will use red color. Now for see those made with curve, only curve lines. Okay, so here only straight lines are there, where we use red color. Only curve lines, if there, we will use blue color. See here, only curve line is there, so I will use blue color. Here also curve lines are there, blue color. And now for which diagram we have to use green? See, the one made with both straight as well as curve. Straight as well as curve lines हो गए तो green color देंगे. See this diagram, this is straight line and these are here, this is curve line. So curve as well as straight. So I will use here green color. Question 3. Tick the polygons, cross out the figures that are not polygon. Okay, so for this we should know concept of polygon. What is the polygon? Closed figure होना चाहिए. First of all, it is a closed figure. Then what is the concept? Yes, first of all it should be closed figure and all sides should be straight lines. See, do you remember? Here it is given. See, the plane figure having 3 or more sides. The side may or may not be equal. Okay, sides equal या equal, unequal या equal हो सकते हैं. But this concept, see, polygons are closed figures. First of all, it should be closed. And what is the second concept? Made up of only straight lines. Okay, so keep these 2 points in your mind. First of all, it should be closed figure and all lines should be straight. So see, this is closed figure but all lines are not straight. Yes, these are curved lines. These are straight lines only. So I want all lines straight. So I am drawing here cross. This is not polygon. See, this is also closed figure. And can you see all lines are also straight? Yes, so I can say it is a polygon. Yes, do you remember first example here? Triangle. See, triangle is polygon. So this is also triangle. Now if you see here, these lines are straight but at corner, see what is happening. This is curve. This is also curve. So it is also not polygon. So I am drawing here cross. See this diagram? This is closed figure. Yes. And second point, I need to check both points. Then I will say it is polygon. First point, closed figure. Yes. Second point, all lines should be straight. See, all lines are straight. Yes. Can you see any curve there? No. All lines are straight. So here this is also polygon.